PCB designers are focused on designing for specification. What they're missing most of the time is those manufacturing capabilities that they need to consider within their design. As a result, what happens most of the time is that multiple interactions between the manufacturer and the design are happening. Those are also referred as TQs. Multiple TQs cause delay in getting the product into production line, as a result, delay in the time to market.
Surprisingly enough, today, still, many of the designers don't run DFM in the design process. And even when they do run DFM, they use a very generic DFM constraint file, which is not specific to the manufacturing process. This results in the manufacturer detecting many issues around manufacturability, and the manufacturer has to now carry the cost and the time associated with fixing many of the issues detected.
The consequences are significant. Industry research indicates that over a 3-month period, there is an average of 2.7 revision spins per new product introduction. So, due to the global supply chain shortage and delays of materials of up to 52 weeks obtaining all the required materials, you cannot afford yourself to add more delays due to manufacturability issues.
As a manufacturer, I'm really interested in delivering my customers' design to production as fast as we can. But most of all, my credibility is the highest importance. I'm trying to get those designs into production fast, but also in a reliable fashion. Imagine you could have a tool that could enable you to get insight directly to your customer's design and make sure they are making the right choices according to your manufacturing capabilities. That, of course, would save you lots of time and frustration between both you as the manufacturer and your customers. As a result, you will be able not only serve your customers in a better way, but also get your designs faster to production.
Imagine an online automated DFM analysis based on your most updated constraints. The designer will get an easy-to-use report with all the changes required in the design phase. It will reduce the respins and make sure you will get the design ready to manufacture.
PCB Flow is a trusted, secured, collaborative, cloud-based environment for designers and manufacturers of PCB. As a PCB manufacturer, it allows you to collaborate with your designers, allowing them to share with you design files and allowing you to enable them to run quick and accurate DFM analysis. It's extremely secure and extremely easy to set up. As a cloud-based environment, it requires no installation and no software. With PCB Flow, you can prevent the losses caused by false production. You can reduce repairs to up to 80%, and you can free 600 of engineering hours per month. You can now use the engineering time to improve the new product introduction, develop improved processes, and invest in innovation and digitalizing your production lines. With PCB Flow, you can move with confidence to your next project, knowing that this specific design will not cause any surprising issues on the production lines. In addition, you and the management team will be assured utmost utilization time and a very smooth new product introduction process at your facility. Visit the PCB Flow platform now, create a manufacturer profile, upload your DFM constraints, and invite your customers to run a DFM session today.